Students, today I'll explain extra questions of height and distance. This is your question number 5 of this extra question. Question is, two men are on either side of the temple 75-meter high. Observe the angle of elevation of the top of the temple to be 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two men. So let AB is the height of the temple and that is given 75 meters. And two men are there on the opposite side of this temple. Let the two men are at P and Q. So here AB, that is equals to height of the temple, that is 75 meters. And let P and Q are position of two men on either side of the temple. And angle of elevation is given 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. So your angle APB is given 30 degree and angle AQB, that is given 60 degree. Okay, so now this is a right angle triangle. So in triangle APB, this is equals to AB upon PB. And perpendicular upon base, that is 10. So this is equals to 10 30 degree. And 10 30 is 1 by root 3. This is not AP, it is AB. So it is AB is given 75. So this is 75 upon PB, that is equals to 1 by root 3, or this implies PB equals to 75 root 3 meter. Now in triangle ABQ, AB upon BQ, it is given 60 degree, 10 60 degree. P by B is 10. So AB by BQ is 10 60. And 10 60 is root 3. So this implies AB 75. So 75 upon BQ equals to root 3, or BQ equals to 75 by root 3 meter. And this we can rationalize. Multiply by root 3, divide by root 3. So it is 75 root 3 by 3. So it is 25 root 3 meter. So distance between two men, that is PQ, that is equals to BP plus BQ, that is 75 root 3 plus 25 root 3 meter. So it is 100 root 3 meter. We can write 100 into 1.73, that is 173 meter. Is the 173 meter is the distance between the two men P and Q. Now question number 7. Two ships are sailing in the sea on the either side of the lighthouse. The angle of depression of the two ships are observed from the top of the lighthouse. The angle of depression of the two ships are observed from the top of the lighthouse are 60 degree and 45 degree. If the distance between the ship is 200 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 meter, find the height of the lighthouse. So let P cube be the height of the lighthouse. Let PQ be the height of the lighthouse, that is equals to H, and AB is the distance between the two ships. Okay, here it is angle of depression, means it is observed from the point P from the top of the lighthouse. Angle of depression, it is 60 degree on one ship and 45 degree on the another ship, which is on the either side of the lighthouse. So your angle XPA, that is the angle of depression, that is equals to angle PAQ. That is XPA, that is equals to angle PAQ, and that is equals to 60 degree. And second side, the angle of depression on the another ship is YPB. That is equals to the angle PBQ, and that is 45 degree given. And the distance between the two ships is given AB, that is given 200 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 meter. We have to find H. Find PQ, that is H we have to find. So in the triangle APQ, PQ upon AQ, that is equals to 1060, and 1060 is your perpendicular by base, that is 10, so it is 1060, it is root 3, and PQ we have taken H, so it is H by AQ, that is equals to root 3, or AQ equals to H by root 3 meter. Now in triangle PQB, PQ upon BQ, that is again perpendicular by base, that is 1045, and 1045 is 1. PQ we have H, so H upon BQ equals to 1 implies H equals to BQ. BQ equals to H. Okay. Now AB equals to AQ plus BQ. This we have to find. We have to find H actually. AB is given what? 200 root 3 plus 1 by root 3. And this is AQ is H by root 3 and BQ is H. So H we can take out common. So it is 1 by root 3 plus 1, or 200 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 equals to h into root 3 plus 1 by root 3, or this implies h equals to 200 meter. So height of the lighthouse, that is, you can write height of the lighthouse is 200 meter.